Have you ever wondered how airplanes, massive metal machines, gracefully soar through the skies? Flying might seem magical, but it's actually a combination of science, engineering, and physics. In this video, we'll break down the fundamental principles that allow airplanes to fly, making it simple and easy to understand. Every flight depends on balancing four key forces: lift, thrust, drag, and weight. Let's explore these forces step by step. 1. Weight. Weight is the downward force caused by gravity pulling the airplane towards Earth. To take off, an airplane must generate enough lift to overcome its weight. 2. Lift is the upward force that counteracts weight. It's generated by the airplane's wings thanks to their unique shape, known as an airfoil. When air flows over and under the wings, a difference in pressure is created, higher pressure below and lower pressure above. This difference lifts the airplane into the sky. 3. Thrust. Thrust is the forward force produced by engines or propellers. It propels the airplane forward, enabling air to flow over the wings and generate lift. 4. Drag. Drag is the resistance caused by air pushing against the airplane as it moves. Pilots and engineers work to minimize drag for smoother and more efficient flights. The secret to lift lies in Bernoulli's principle and the wing shape. Bernoulli's principle states that faster-moving air creates lower pressure. The curved top surface of the wing forces air to move faster above it than below, creating lift. This principle, combined with precise wing angles, ensures steady upward force. Modern airplanes use jet engines or propellers to produce thrust. Jet engines work by sucking in air, compressing it, mixing it with fuel, and igniting it. The resulting explosion creates high-speed exhaust gases that push the airplane forward. Pilots use various controls to navigate and stabilize the airplane. Ailerons, located on the wings, control roll. Elevators, positioned on the tail, manage pitch, which determines whether the airplane climbs or descends. The rudder, also on the tail, controls yaw, allowing the airplane to turn left or right. Takeoff. Planes accelerate along the runway, generating sufficient thrust and lift to leave the ground. Pilots adjust the flaps to optimize lift during this critical phase. Landing. To descend, pilots reduce thrust and increase drag using flaps and air brakes, ensuring a smooth touchdown. Once airborne, airplanes stay in the air because of a delicate balance between lift and weight and thrust and drag. Pilots continuously monitor instruments to maintain this balance, ensuring a safe and steady flight. Commercial planes cruise at an altitude of about 35,000 feet. The Wright brothers' first flight in 1903 lasted just 12 seconds, marking the beginning of aviation history. Modern airplanes can travel over 900 kilometers per hour,